Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates two-day Center State Science Conclave through video conferencing. Seminar on Modi at 20 Dreams Meet Delivery held in Nehu today. Opposition Trinamool Congress demands an independent probe into the killing of Chesterfield Thanku. And United Democratic Party today observes 25th Foundation Day. Now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged all the states to work together in building India as the global centre of science and technology in the Amrit Kal. The conclave is being organized to strengthen the center-state coordination and collaboration mechanism in promoting innovation and entrepreneurship. Prime Minister addressed the gathering after inaugurating a two-day center-state science conclave at Science City, Ahmedabad through video conferencing. He said there is a need to take research related to science and technology to the local level to address the problems faced by the people.
इस अमृत काल में भारत को रिसर्च और इनोवेशन का ग्लोबल सेंटर बनाने के लिए हम सब ने एक साथ मिलकर के अनेक मोर्चों पर काम करना है। अपनी साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी से जुड़ी रिसर्च को हमें लोकल स्तर पर लेकर जाना है।
Seminar on the book Modi at 20 Dreams Meet Delivery was held at Multi-Use Convention Centre in the presence of Sarbananda Sonowal, MOS of Ayush Waterways and Shipping. The book was launched on 11th May 2022 at Vigyabayan, New Delhi by the then Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. The book is a collection of 21 chapters written by domain dignitaries from Home Minister Amit Shah to the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and Sudha Murthy, amongst a host of other eminent writers. The book captures the political life of PM Modi's past 20 years, ranging from his tenure as Gujarat CM to Prime Minister of India, and has been compiled by eminent intellectuals and personalities from industry and politics. The seminar was conceptualized by the Nehu fraternity to highlight the acclaimed book Modi at 20 Dreams Meet Delivery. Addressing the gathering, Sarbananda Sonowal said that the efforts of the Prime Minister to develop the northeastern region are a part of his journey, and the book throws light on this regard.
The book, which has been written about his 20 successful years of regime as a Chief Minister as well as a Prime Minister of India. He has spent many nights in many districts and having in-depth interactive session with the villages, with the people of Northeast, trying to learn the language of Northeast, trying to learn the tradition of Northeast, trying to learn the traditional skill of Northeast. So that is how he had his...
The opposition Trinamool Congress demanded an independent probe into the killing of Chesterfield Thanku, the former leader of the banned Nyotrep National Liberation Council. Dr. Mukul Sangma said that there are multiple agencies like NIA and the CBI that can perform an independent inquiry. The demand for an independent probe by the National Investigation Agency or the Central Bureau of Investigation comes after the Meghalaya government placed the report of the one-man commission of inquiry by retired Judge T. Vaipai on the first day of the autumn session of the Meghalaya Assembly. The report stated that the former militant leader was killed in a reckless operation using excessive force by the police.
All the necessary action as per law is taken by the government to ensure justice, because any instance where a justice is perceived to have been denied is something which creates a situation generating lack of confidence and trust on the authorities, which doesn't augur well for our democracy. Therefore, government must ensure that there is no space, no room from any corner to feel that justice has not been done.
The United Democratic Party today observed 25th Foundation Day. On the occasion, the new office of the party was inaugurated. Speaking on the occasion, the party president Metba Lingdo said that the party will secure a magical number in the upcoming elections. Veteran leaders such as Bindo M. Lanong, Metba Lingdo, Jamino Mautho and others addressed the gathering on the history, the vision and the mission of the party.
Years have gone. This year, 2022, is a year we celebrated and we still celebrating of our attainment of our statehood, MEGHALAYA, which consists of the Khasi, the Jaishankar and the Garo tribes. And here we are in this hall today with that agenda. We love our own and we will respect others.
External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will embark on a 3-day visit to Saudi Arabia beginning today. This will be the first visit to the kingdom as External Affairs Minister of India. During his visit, he will co-chair the inaugural ministerial meeting of the Committee on Political Security, Social and Cultural Cooperation with the Foreign Minister of Saudi Arabia, Prince Faisal bin Farhan Al Saud. The two ministers will undertake a comprehensive review on the entire bilateral relationship. The mixed football team of the Superintendent of Police and the Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District emerged as the winner after defeating the team of the Ribhoi District Journalist Fraternity at the friendly football match held in Nongpo, Ribhoi District. The friendly football match was organized by the Office of the Superintendent of Police in collaboration with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner and the Press Fraternity of Ribhoi District as part of the awareness program to spread the message on the menace of drugs and to take a pledge to say no to drugs. The program was attended by the Superintendent of Police Giri Prasad, the Additional Deputy Commissioner M.B. Tongper, among others officers. Now let's have a look at the weather report. The maximum temperature 27.6 degrees Celsius, the minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 62 degrees Celsius, was 62%, and relative humidity in the evening was 66%. Moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may also visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily news bulletin. Now let's have a look again at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates 2-day Centre State Science Conclave through video conferencing. Seminar on Modi at 20 Dreams Meet Delivery held in Nehu today. Opposition Trinamool Congress demands an independent probe into the killing of Chesterfield Thanku. And United Democratic Party today observes 25th Foundation Day. Well, viewers, that's all that we have for you in today's edition of the news. Until tomorrow again, have a good night.